Hi kids, welcome to the first episode of our Aussie Outback series. What we're going to be doing today, kids, is we're going to be on an Aussie farm saving sheep. Because what happens on farms, sometimes sheep get hunted by other animals. And this isn't a good thing. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be protecting the sheep by fighting the other animals. So I hope you're ready to go. Before we get started, feet together and back. 3 big claps. Very good. Big circles. Round we go. 1, 2. It's going to be a fast warm up. 5. Bang. Backwards. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lovely. All right. We're just going to do a duck jump game really quick. So what we're going to have is we're actually going to have some sheep poo being thrown at our head and some sheep poo being thrown at our feet. And when it comes in, we've got a duck. Boom. Because you don't want to get poo in the face. It's not very good. Poo comes for your feet, boom! We've got to lift those knees up nice and high. All right, so that's going to be a bit of our warm up today. Let's see how you go. Make sure you're moving, boom, duck down, good, don't get in there, good, down we go, hop, good, hop, bang, good, down, beautiful, up, good, make sure you're not getting hit, down we go, good, up, bang, nice, down, good, up, beautiful, nearly there, down, good, down, make sure you get all the way down, good, up, beautiful, all right, absolutely outstanding. Really well done, kids. Now, what we're gonna be looking at, save these sheep, is you're gonna see that we've got the sheep in the sheep pen over here. So sheep pen is just where they sort of live or where we keep them when they're not roaming around the farms. Now, when the sheep are like this, sometimes other animals will try and get in and they'll try and kill them. We're not gonna let that happen. Some of the animals that are going to be trying to kill them will be dingoes, which in Australia is like a wild dog, okay? We don't have tigers and lions, but dingoes are pretty crazy as well, all right? And they definitely kill sheep. So if any dingoes come by, we're gonna do this technique for our dingoes. When they come in, it's 2 kicks, 2 punches. So we're gonna do a front kick, boom, to stop them. Then we're gonna do 2 punches to punish them. 1 front kick, bang, to finish them. All right, we've got to stop them, punish them, and then finish them, and make sure they never come back. All right, so let's practice that technique. We've got a front kick, boom, 2 punches, pop, pop, and then a front kick, bang. Good, all right. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna practice that a few times. Do it on the side. Let's do 3 times and then we're gonna fight a dingo. See how we go. Ready? Go. Bang. Pop, pop. Boom. Looking good. Shift around. Good. Go. Bang. Boom. Good. One more. Go. Pop, pop, pop. Boom. Good. All right. Absolutely outstanding. Now, that's the technique that we use on the dingoes. So, let's do a practice. There's gonna be 3 dingoes. Now they come back. All right, so we're gonna have to be nice and fast. Sometimes 2 of them will try and attack us and let the 3rd one get in. So we've got to be really quick to make sure we save our sheep. See, the sheep are here. I want you standing, turn like this, be nice and strong. And when you see those dingoes come on, bang, hit them fast. Right, move those feet, keep the sheep safe. Here's the first one. He's not there yet, wait, go. Boom, boom, good. Next one. Boom, good, next one. Again, go fast, bang, boom, good, lovely, they're getting a little bit quicker, boom, good, here it comes, bang, boom, boom, nice, good again, boom, beautiful, all right. One of the other animals that attacks sheep, or their lambs, the little baby sheep, can be foxes. Now foxes are super fast, they're super sneaky, they're very clever and they're very tricky. So, foxes are gonna move lightning fast. Now, they're not the strongest animals in the world, but they are very quick. So we have to be even faster. So when you see the foxes come on, we're just gonna get ready with some targets. All we're gonna be doing, bang! It needs to be a punch, but it needs to be lightning fast. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a target come up here. Just at the moment, let's remember how to do our punch. Fingers come down, thumb goes on the outside. And we punch, keeping that elbow in. We start like this with the thumb up, and then we turn at the end and hit with those 2 knuckles. Remember that? Good. All right, so when this target comes up, all I want you to do is boom, punch as fast as you can, because that's what we're gonna have to do when we see these foxes. So they don't get through and get these lambs, all right? The baby sheep, we don't want them to get that. So, hands up here. Yeah, move your feet, move your feet. You're not gonna have long to punch. It needs to be quick. If you miss it and it's gone, miss out. That would be like a fox getting through and getting the sheep. Don't have that. Ready? Ooh, how'd you go? Good. Good. Good, faster. Kia loud, go. Good, louder. 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 Good, all right, not too bad. That's our target. Let's see how these foxes go. Keep those sheep safe. We haven't lost any sheep yet, so we're doing pretty well. With those feet, keep an eye out for those foxes. Keep an eye out. Remember, you gotta be fast, Bang! Ooh, did you get it? Did you get it? You gotta be quick. Look for the next one. Boom! Ooh, close. Here it comes. Bang! Good. Quicker. Good. Another fox. Boom! Good. Go. Boom! Nice. Beautiful. Keep moving your feet. Keep moving your feet. Move your feet. 3 more foxes. Bang! Boom! Kia loud on this one. Kia loud. Kia! Good. All right. Not too bad. So, keep the sheep safe from dingoes and foxes. What's something else that could kill sheep or eat sheep? Now, this one might sound a little bit weird. Not a lot of people knew about this. I didn't know about this until I went and started working on the farm. Pigs. Wild pigs. In Australia, we have wild pigs. Now, they don't look like normal pigs, the big pink ones that people keep in pens, and well, you know, they do grow pretty big. These ones are generally quite dark in color, and sometimes they have big tusks on their mouths. Now, they're pretty quick. They're not as fast as foxes, they're not as fast as dingoes, but they're ferocious. They're incredibly powerful, incredibly strong, and they even eat meat, which is pretty crazy because I didn't think pigs eat meat. They'll eat anything, and they'll definitely kill sheep. So we have to punish these pigs with a lot of power. So what are some of the most powerful techniques we've got? We've got our jumping front kick, this one, and flying side kick. Now, flying side kick's probably not too good because the pigs are a little bit small. Jumping front kick's probably not super helpful because it's usually for a high target. So what we're actually gonna use is we're gonna use our side kick, bang, but angling down. You don't need to kick up, okay? So you actually need to kick down. But to get power, if you just do that, pig's gonna run through. You're gonna fall over. And then the pig's gonna get the sheep. We can't have that, all right? So you still need to lift your knee and then bang, kick down. So we hit that pig and we stop it. After we stop the pig, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with a power kick. So our front kick, knee up, boom, straight down. We need to smash that pig into the ground. Make sure it doesn't come back. Okay? So, let's go through our side kick and then a front kick nice and quick. Move through, we'll do it 2 times. So we go feet together, knee up, boom, down on the pig, then power kick with our back leg, bang, front kick, nice and strong. Kicking down. All right, let's try it again. Go, boom, bang, good. Make sure you lift your knee high. The higher you get your knee, the more powerful this kick's gonna be. We're gonna have some big pigs coming on at the end. So we need to make sure we crack them nice and strong. Ready? Here we go. Knee up, boom, good, here we come. Bang, all right. Lovely, now that we've practiced that, let's try it on some real pigs. All right, this will be the first pig that we come up against. Right, to protect this pen, let's make sure we keep those sheep safe. Ready, watch for those pigs, watch for those pigs. Here's the first one, look at him come in. Ready, go, bang, power kick, boom. Whoa, did you get him? Good, all right, beautiful. We're gonna get 5 of these pigs, ready? Here we come, we've got 4 to go. Boom, bang, good, nice. That's 2. See it up the top, we've got 2 so far. Let's get the next one, here it comes. Boom, bang, good, really nice, really nice. Looking good, next one, here we come. Boom, good, beautiful. All right, last one. Whoa, it's a big one. It's a big one. It's the biggest one. It's this big. It's up here on us. We've got to hit it hard. We've got to hit it hard. I need you to kia loud for both. Don't let it get through. Ready? Go. Kia! Big front kick. Kia! It needs another one. Go again. It needs to be louder. It needs to be stronger. Go. Kia! Louder. Go. Kia! Oh. Kids, amazing. What you've done today. You saved our sheep. Awesome effort. Really, really proud of you guys. Now, we'll leave it there, but we've got 4 more farm animal episodes that we're coming out with, so make sure you get ready for the next one. Practice those techniques. If you're a little bit confused, go back and watch this video. All right, if you want to keep going, watch this video. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe, and share this. Get your friends to come over and train with you. Take a photo, send it to me. What we're actually going to be doing in the next one, we're going to be doing some photo ops as well. So when the animals come in, boom, you'll get a photo protecting whatever we've got to protect and hitting whatever we've got to hit. We'll do that for you guys. All right, ready? I'll see you on the next one, guys. Really well done. Bye. Whoa, guys, just before you go, if you guys want to do more training with me, grab your parents. You can come along and do my 6-week yellow belt program right now. All you have to do is click the link below this video, get your parents to have a read through it. And if they're happy and you're happy and you want to come and do some more training with me, we've got a whole bunch of videos and courses lined up for you ready to go. Now, in this yellow belt program, what you're going to do is you're going to meet my dog, Jack. With my dog, Jack, what's happened? His 6 puppies were stolen by the evil Killery Nastier. Now, what we have to do on our journey to get you your yellow belt is we have to go and save Jack's 6 puppies. In doing so, each week we're going to come up against different challenges. You're going to learn different strikes. We're going to play a ton of games. You're going to have so much fun. And at the end of it, if you help us save Jack's 6 puppies, you get your yellow belt. Click the link below. Let your parents have a read and see if it's something that you might be interested in doing, but I'd love to have you come and help us save Jack's 6 puppies. All right, guys, leave it there. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you in the yellow belt course. Bye.